Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import photos from iPhone to PC. Well, the first step would be to have the images or videos that we want in the gallery. In my case, it will be this video and this picture here. Go to Safari or Google and search for WeTransfer. Click on this one. Here, you will see that there are several plans, but don't worry, this can be done totally free. What you have to do is to click on the three lines on the top left here, Send Files. Here, we will upload the files we want. In our case, it will be photos or videos. Once we have uploaded what we want, click on Title, and here we can put a reference title. Now click on Next. Here, you have two options, send an email or get a link. In my case, I will choose Send an Email, Transfer. Here, you will have to select the email to which you want to send those photos. Just enter it. And transfer. Now you will have to confirm your email with the code you have been sent. Then click Next and the files will be automatically uploaded to be sent. Now once sent, we will go to the PC. We will go to Google and open the email to which we sent the photos or files. You should see this email. Just click on it. Now click on Get Your Files. And here you can download the images or whatever you have transferred. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.